very dire time for you, but I mean, things could be worse, right?
No, last year was bad, but this is worse. Don't worry, Mario. We can get through this. I know we can. No, Luigi, you don't understand.
Come on, the news can't be that dire. Just tell us, Mario.
Okay, I'll tell you.
I mean, I'm sure the news isn't that catastrophic, right?
Yeah, Mario. It's not like Mario Kart World is getting delayed or like Sonic Movie 4 is getting cancelled. No, it's worse. Gargura is graduating.
What?
I know, it's terrible, isn't it?
But she's one of Hololife's #1 greatest members in the world. What happened? What's going on right now?
How am I going to live without the shock? Why? No! Oh God, it's a terrible. Oh. Another one bites the dust. God dang it! Wait a minute, seriously?
Isn't she like #1 in Hololive?
She's basically the backbone of Hololive, yes. But God, she's graduating. I mean, if Hololive can't keep her around, then there must be something going on at the agency, you know?
Yeah, they're not able to keep their best member in the industry.
There must be something wrong with the agency. Okay, yeah. Anyway, Mario, I'm not gonna lie. This is a garbage year. It's only been like 4 months already. You know, I could have sworn we were just in January, like months ago. We were just in January. Now we're in freaking April. Jesus Christ. You know, for some reason, I have a feeling, just a slight feeling, that we're just gonna have some really bad stuff happening to us this year.
Like what exactly?
Let me tell you guys something. While I was driving my go-kart today, some birds came ahead and just pooped out my window. Can you believe that? Well, yeah. Same thing happened to me, too.
Oh, yeah. I'm well aware of that. Who could possibly be pooping on our freaking cars?
Yeah, it's gotta be those dang birds. Like, who needs birds in life, right? What was that sound?
Huh. I don't know. It sounds like a bird.
Birds in the house? What are you talking about, the Toad? There are no birds in the house. Okay, now I know I heard something. Mario, you heard that too, right? Yeah, this is weird. Why in the world are there... What the... What the heck is that? Wait, is that a red bird? Luigi! My freaking stomach.
What the heck? Is that a...
Limbless bird?
What the heck, Fire?
Dude, is that an angry bird? Dumb bird, move!
I'm not gonna lie, I thought the Angry Birds were a myth. Turns out they're real? Crazy.
Why the heck is an angry bird here? More importantly, weren't the Angry Birds extinct after a while?
I don't know, maybe. Hey, who are those guys?
What? Huh? Ugh. What the heck? Are those other birds? Space bird, get over here. Ah, it looks like you found some of those new plushies, huh? Who the heck is you? I don't know what your deal is, but you're just a bunch of angry birds. Why are you even here? We're here to take our place in the spotlight. The spotlight you guys rightfully stole from us. Because of you, I got no Cheez-Its on this channel, and now I'm going to make you pay for it. What in the world are you guys talking about? We don't even know who you guys are. Well, actually, we do. You're the Angry Birds, but why are you all even here?
Yeah, aren't you guys like old news?
You want to know who we are? We are very prominent members of the Legion of the Adult Plushies. Wait, what? Oh wait, I think I said it wrong. What was the Legion called again? Oh, okay. Hang on, let me try that again. We are prominent members of the Legion of the Old Plushies. Legion of the Old Plushies? That's definitely not familiar. That's cause you heathens haven't heard of us until now, and we're gonna make sure we take back our spotlight that was rightfully ours.
Your old plushies? So basically what I'm getting is, you guys are so old, you were never used until now.
Doesn't that kinda make your little Legion, pointless? It's not about the Legion itself, it's about the principle! You took our place. You decided to take our spotlight. You knew Plushies decided to go ahead and take our fame. And now we're here to make you pay. Dude, are you drunk? No, but you're gonna be wearing black and green in a second. Dude, what the frick? We're supposed to make a plan. Screw the plan. This is for our franchise. This is personal. Why? Holy crap! Luigi, get out of there!
These guys seem like bad news, Mario!
Oh god, a toad! Guess it's just you and me, Red Boy. I've been waiting for this matchup for a long time. Wow, picking on others just because your franchise is a downhill from here? I'm about to slap you silly and turn you into fried chicken. If you really think you can face me, then come over here, plumber boy. I won't hesitate to pick your eyes out. Oh god. Dude, what the frick? Why'd you even attack me? God dang, stop it. Stop. Why you? Alright, I'm gonna slap you silly this time. Come on, let's see what you got. These goddamn bosses. They're not even that much of a sweat. Come on, give me a challenge. That's it. I got my almighty peck attack. How did I miss?
Seriously? Yeah! Take bird! Yeah!
Oh crap, this fan is blocking my path. Nope, sir. Looks like he's unconscious. Off we go. Uh-oh. Hey, I'm still alive. Oh. Hey, Red. No, I don't think I will. Wow. These guys are pathetic. Like, I'm not even kidding. These guys are jokes. Luigi, how you doing? Yeah, I'm good. Wait, where's Toad? Not the show. Oh, there he is.
Oh, you dumb bird! Who do you think you are, huh? Thinking that you can just attack my friends and get away with it, huh? You know what? That's a fair point. Wanna be friends? Huh? Yeah, we could be friends. Oh, cool. Well, take my hand. No. Ow!
Did we just lose?
You know, losing to a mushroom is absolutely disgraceful. You guys should be ashamed of yourselves.
I don't know how you guys became video game icons in the years, huh? We will not go down like this. We will not be backpedaled by a bunch of mediocre villains. What do you mean? I mean, you guys used to be heroes, right? I mean, you guys tried defending your eggs or something like that. You don't understand. We've been abandoned for years. Now, we finally have our redemption, and we will not let two plumbers and a mushroom take that away from us. Dude, what is your deal? I'm so confused right now. What even is the Legion of the Old Plushies anyway?
It's a group where all the old plushies who haven't been used gather up together to take revenge on the new plushies. And it turns out a few of your friends met a few of us.
What? What do you mean?
Our friends met a few of you? You mean there's more?
I don't know what they're talking about, but it means bad news.
Say, by any chance, could you tell us who those other members are and who they encountered?
Oh yeah, sure. The members were Heartman, UPS Truck, and Mr. Pumpkin, I think? Yeah, Mr. Pumpkin. And they challenged this weird robot named Emerald or something, and a rabbit and a bee named Chermy and Chrome. I don't know where I'm going with this.
Wait, Emerald, Charmy, and Cream? Oh, nah, son. You guys are gonna get it now.
Not if we have anything to say about it. Birds, we must flock together. Yeah.
What do we do, Mario? Hey, by any chance, are you three the birds that pooped on our cars?
Oh yeah, that was us. It was funny, wasn't it?
I thought so.
What are you gonna do about it, huh? Your card is ruined because of us. What are you gonna do? Hey, is that a fireball?
So, who's it down for fried chicken? Did you just burn them alive? Yes. They were dead anyway.
You know, he got a point.
Well, now that we know about this old Legion of the Old Plushies, we should probably be on our guard. Oh yeah, that's true. If Charmy, Cream, and Emerald had a tough time with them, then who knows who else could.
I say we all take a stand and find out who the leader of this whole operation is and take him down.
I have a feeling the leader won't show himself so easily. We're probably gonna have to wait for that. Oh, it looks like I missed one. Wait, Mario, I think he just said... Oh my god. Sorry, had to take care of the last one. What were you saying? I think that the last bird was about to say Robin. Robin? Huh, that could be a hint. Maybe the leader is a Robin? Are you saying that the leader could be a Robin?
Maybe it's another bird, I don't know.
Well, maybe we'll find out one day. Who knows? But don't worry though. Let's be on our guard. Yeah, you're right. Who said a couple of birds is able to stop us, right?
Yeah!
Oh yeah.
So, are we gonna continue talking about the girl situation, or...
Toad, you shut the absolute heck.
Thank you so much for watching our show.
See you next time!